The Ideapad S145 comes in a 15.6-inch variant with the screen resolution going as high as Full HD. According to Lenovo, the maximum brightness on the 15.6-inch panel is 220 nits. You can purchase the new Ideapad S145 with either an AMD Ryzen 3000 series processor or an Intel 8th Gen Core series chip with up to 8 GB of RAM. Storage can be in the form of either a hard drive or a PCIe NVMe solid-state drive. While the graphics card is integrated on many variants, some variants offer a discrete NVIDIA GeForce MX 110 graphics card with 2 GB of dedicated video RAM. In addition, the Ideapad S145 comes equipped with features such as Dolby Audio, Bluetooth, and an integrated SD card reader. According to Lenovo, the inbuilt 35 Wh dual-cell battery is good for up to 6 hours of continuous use. Weighing in at 1.85 kilograms, the Ideapad S145 is available in multiple colors including black and grey. Windows 10 comes pre-installed on some variants of the Ideapad S145.